Welcome back to Sylvia. Here's some more information regarding how you can script her. In the previous video, I introduced URL requests and how you can use this to interface with the internet, with other websites, potentially through APIs or primary through website APIs, which they would then give you a JSON document, and then you could easily parse it through the scripting system here and have Sylvia output the information as desired. But let's say you have a website that doesn't have API, or it doesn't give you a JSON document to parse easily. Everything will still be good. Instead, using the regex function which I had in the plugin system, I ported it to the script system, and you can now use it on demand before regex will be automatically from monitoring a file, for instance. So here we can use URL requests to get the HTML of a page, and we'll save it into random fact. And then using the regex command here, we will use the HTML in random fact. We will find a specific regex string in it, or regex match in it, which is determined or written right over here, and then we'll save the second match from that regex into the save variable, which then Sylvia will output it to us. A bit confusing. In short, we download HTML, find the string that we want by using a regex. We'll save it to a variable, and then we will have her speak it back to us if we desire. So let's run her real quick and hear how it sounds. Enable script regex example.
Script enabled.
Random fact.
The Canary Islands are named after a dog.
Well, that is a pretty random fact now that you think about it. Random fact.
The original Coca-Cola was green in color.
Ah, that's quite delicious. Random fact.
A person will die from total lack of sleep sooner than from starvation. Death will occur about 10 days without sleep, while starvation takes a few weeks.
And you will also die pretty fast with water too. Random fact.
There are 8,000 nerve endings on a clitoris, twice the amount of the head of the penis.
Ah, that's beautiful. So, disable script regex example. Disable script regex example.
Script disabled.
There we go, so it won't activate anymore. So anyways, it just gives you an example that you can now interface with websites in two different ways, both through an API or just simply getting it through HTML, for instance.